Welcome to Donor World. DonaworldKiddoTV. Hi, friends. Let's learn our ABCs. Ready? Let's go. A is for apple, A is for apple, apple is for apple, apple. A is for bone, B is for bone, bone, B is for bone, bone. C is for cat, C is for cat, cat, C is for cat, cat. This D is for dog, D is for dog, dog, D is for dog, dog. D is for elephant, D is for elephant, elephant, D is for elephant, elephant. And F is for fish, F is for fish, F is for fish, F for fish. G is for goat, G is for goat, goat, G is for goat, goat. H is for hat, H is for hat, hat, H is for hat, hat. I is for igloo, I is for igloo, igloo, I is for igloo, igloo. J is for jellyfish now, J is for jellyfish, jellyfish, J is for jellyfish, jellyfish. K is for kite, K is for kite, kite, is for kite, kite. L is for lion, L is for lion, lion, L is for lion, lion. M is for monkey, monkey, M is for monkey, monkey. N is for nest, N nest, N is for nest, N nest. O is for orange, orange. No is for orange, orange. P is for penguin, penguin. P is for penguin, penguin. Q is for queen, queen. Q is for queen, queen. R is for rabbit, rabbit. R is for rabbit, rabbit. S is for sun, sun. S is for sun, sun. T is for tiger, tiger. T is for tiger, tiger. U is for umbrella, umbrella. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for violin, violin. T is for violin, violin. U is for whale, whale. U is for whale, whale. X is for xylophone, xylophone. X is for xylophone, xylophone. Y is for yak, yak. Y is for yak, yak. Z